During the past 6 months, the professional AI headshot generators went from terrible to okay to absolutely insane. And in this video, I will show you my results 6 months ago, 3 months ago, and today. And I will show you how to create similar results with this amazing product, where you can find a link to in the description. But I've got a lot to cover, so let me show you these results. Alrighty, so this right here is a real image of myself. And this one right here is an AI generated headshot from 6 months ago. So this was the state of the art 6 months ago. And as you can see, it looks completely terrible. So yeah, the background is impressive, the clothing looks super realistic, but my face is completely messed up. So it doesn't really even remind me of myself, even remotely closely. So this one, I would call it 2 out of 10 or 3 out of 10. And then this just showcases you how fast this technology is evolving, because if we jump ahead 4 months, I tested this other amazing headshot generator tool called BetterPic AI. And as you can see from these images, these are all AI generated. These look much closer to what I actually look like. So yeah, you can clearly see that these images have a bit too much contrast and the skin is way too smooth, and I don't really look exactly like myself, and you can see some blurriness going on in the background. So these look almost like some kind of 3D renders or paintings or stuff like that. And in some of these images, my teeth and my lips are still completely messed up. So this is almost I would say 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. But now, today, I tried BetterPic again because they just launched their brand new model. And look at these results. These are incredible. So the image quality is terrific, and these are I think that these are the most realistic images I've seen thus far. So most of these look exactly like me or very close to what I look like, and very few of these images have those artifacts that these previous ones had. And also one thing that I love about this is that you can actually not only upload your images and see these AI generated headshots, but you can also request an edit. So for example, if you're not happy with your hairstyle or the background or your facial structure or stuff like that, you can click on this VP AI edit button, and that will land you here where you can actually request a human edit. So you can literally describe what you want to do with your image, and the BetterPic AI team will take a look at that image and they will make those changes to your images, which is insane. So you're basically almost guaranteed to have at least one epic headshot that you can use everywhere. And as you can see, most of these are super realistic. So perhaps the only thing I don't like about these is that in some of these I'm wearing a chain, which is not something I do. But other than that, these are super realistic, and when I sent these to my friends and family, they never really realized that it's actually not a real headshot, but instead an AI generated one. So this is something you definitely should give it a try. I think that one of the biggest objections only 2 months ago was that these images look kind of cool. Out of curiosity, people might want to try this, but as you can see, these are not perhaps ready to be used in social media, especially if you have the option to just zoom in, because all these previous images had these little artifacts going on. But right now, it's the best time ever to do this, because most people don't really use these services yet. All you need to do is head over to BetterPic. You can actually find the link to the best deal in the description and just upload your images. These can be your regular selfies, such as this one that I used here, and then just wait for 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so, and then you will receive these epic and crazy headshots. So this is cool. It's actually one of my favorite use cases for AI right now. I just changed my profile picture to be one of these AI generated ones, and I think that this is actually something that is giving you the results that you deserve. But yeah, stay tuned and I will give you more updates on these tools, and I will make more amazing AI software reviews and stuff like that. So thanks for watching and have a good day.